Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Speedy Lifestyle. Here I share videos on migration, jobs, websites, travels, every information you need about your travel, and I also make demo videos, illustration videos, DIY videos you can make by yourself. All right, on today's video, as the title implies, I'll be showing you guys how you can book your flight without making any payments. Previously, I've made lots of videos explaining that it's very possible for you to book your flight without paying. You don't need to make payment, and you have to get like a PNR, and you get information that you'll be submitting to the immigration officers stating that you've already made a reservation. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that on flights. Then if you want me to also share updates about the hotels, because there's one of my videos that I shared on how making reservations but you're not going to pay. So if you want me to also share information on hotels using those platforms, to also drop a love or just let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to updates on that. With that being said, let's jump right into the demonstration. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so. All right, thank you guys. Hi everyone, so on today's video I'll be showing you how to book your flights without making payment. So I have four ways I can show you how to do this. We have websites like booking.com, we have Expedia, we have Skyscanner, and also have Google Flights. Okay, so let me start with booking.com. I love booking.com so much. So they have different categories. They have for stay, they have for flights, they have for car rental, and they have for attraction and airport taxis. Okay, but our main concern today is about flights. Okay, it's about flights. So you can explore booking.com and make reservations without paying. The same thing applies to Expedia. All right, you can make reservation without paying, but the most important thing there is that they are going to give you a PNR. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to explain what PNR is. Then the next one is Skyscanner. So anytime you want to book, if you want to book hotel, go to hotel. If you want to book car, go to car. If you want to hire car, go to car. If you want to do hotel, flight, you see the option for flight. It was there. Network is been funny. Then we also have Google Flights. All right, now I want us to explore using a particular airline. So let's move ahead to Ethiopian Airline. So first of all, I've already done this. If I don't know, it was not recording, pardon me. So what we'll do is fly europeanairline.com. Okay, fly European Airline, Ethiopian Airline, flyethiopian.com online booking. Go. So once it opens, what you will do is leave this one they wrote sponsored, come down and book Ethiopian Airline, book flight, book and fly from Nigeria. That's the one you will click. Okay, you click on it. Network, wonderful. So once it's open up like this, let's say you are moving from Abuja, ABV, ABV to Berlin. Berlin is Germany. Okay, so it will open up like this. Abuja to Berlin, we are going on one way. Let's do one way. If you want to do round trip, you can leave it like this, but I want us to do one way. So because you might not know the day you are coming back, so you put one way. But if you want to still do a double way, you can do. But let's explore one way, or rather let me leave it like that. So We'll do 10th of May to 24th of May. Okay. How many passengers? One. Click here to get information about baggage restriction. You can go ahead to read baggage descriptions and all of that. What is going on? This thing should come here. So search flights. Move on, move on, move on, move on. All we are trying to do is to get a PNR. So what is PNR? PNR means passenger's name record. So once you give them your itinerary, the first thing they will look at is that your PNR. They don't care to know how much you pay or anything. The most important thing is your PNR. So they will use it to check the flight details. Okay. So let me pick on Sundays, a bit cheaper. Okay, now see the details. 12th of May, but they will be landing 13th of May. So you look at the details. They are using Boeing 77, blah blah blah. When you are done with that, checking their layover time, where they are stopping. So they will be stopping at Addis Ababa. Okay, that's the hub of Ethiopian Airlines. When you are done with it, you go ahead. Okay, they said no flight found, so I should change the itinerary. So let's choose 14. Okay, so when you choose, you see economy semi flex, you come down here, you select only 4 seats left. So when it opens like this, you see log in for a faster checkout, then continue as a guest. We are guests now, so we have to continue as guests. So when it opens up like this, you read the itinerary. Adults, one person, title, Mrs. First name as written on your passport. Joy. This one. Okay. Just do a random this thing. Just do random. I'm just writing anything. Day 14. Gender female. So moving on. You can add frequent flyer if you are, or add special request. So phone number. Our phone number is +234. It's going to change the flag to Nigeria. Then let me just write any phone number of choice, just anything. Email address. Let me write my email address. At gmail.com. Okay, by checking this box, you agree to receive additional information from Ethiopia Airlines. Okay, so moving on, continue. Notice for book now, pay letter option, go to manage booking, retrieve your PNR. That's if you've gotten a PNR, like if you've made a reservation before now. So yeah, view flights, see all the information. You can go on to reserve seats. Okay, pick a seat, any seat you want. You can pick a seat, reserved seat, available seat, preferred seat, and their colors, extra leg street, extra leg room. So you can go on and on to pick a seat, but we don't want to pick a seat. So they are having a stopover, 2 hours stopover to Addis Ababa. All right. So you can go on to make selection if you want Wi-Fi, and an extra charge is needed for stopover and combine elegance and for relaxation. Like if you want to have a transit relaxation, you can pay for that. You select the options. So when you are done, if you don't want it, if you don't want any special request, any special offer, priority boarding and all that, you continue. So they will bring us to payment. They will bring us to payment, billing method and all that. So when it comes to this page which states payment, you have to move on. So see the option they are showing us: book now, pay later. So this option will allow you to lock this fare for 1 day. Okay, this is reservation we are making. Payment must be completed within 24 hours by visiting manage your booking link on Ethiopian home page or by contacting Ethiopian airline office. Note, if payment is made at Ethiopian airline office outside the country of departure, fare will be recalculated and prices may change. Okay, so select, because we don't want to pay. But if you want to pay, you come down here and pay. But we don't want to pay. So next one is, after reading the complete payment, please review and agree to the applicable fare rules and agreement below to complete the purchase of your trip. Please note, Ethiopian Airlines only require card verification for selected booking. If your transaction is flagged for verification, you will receive a notification by the email address you used at the time of booking. So your form of payment will be applied when you have selected the complete transaction button below. So complete, continue. So what I'm rushing for, I want them to give us a PNR. So after your booking is confirmed, you can always come back to manage your booking. So manage your booking is where you will put that PNR if you want to pay. Move on, network. Okay, so this is what the page will look like. Hi Joy, reservation OJGMQU is on hold and will expire in 24 hours, 23 hours and 59 minutes. So by this time tomorrow, it will get expired. So look at my PNR. See my PNR. Can you see? On hold. Look at what we are looking for. So they will be sending, you can go on to look at the flight information. View ferries. You can go on to view ferries and print. So this is what it's going to look like. This is your PNR, showing your bank information, aircraft and everything. Can you see that? So these are my trips. This is my trip. I'm not printing yet. This is what they are going to show you: my fare, everything, reserved booking amount, fare log fee, payment details, passengers details, aircraft number, and every information. So this is how it's going to look like. You print it out. From Abuja to Berlin, Sunday 12th May 2024. Okay, so this is the most important thing they will be looking at. This is your PNR, passengers name record. Yeah, so this is how you make reservation without booking, and you can do it and take it to the airport, add it in your visa application. They are going to allow you. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you found value. Share this video to somebody. Share, subscribe if you are yet to do so. See you guys in my next video.